Every year, on the 14th of August, we celebrate freedom. We remember the sacrifices made in 1947. The courage of people who fought for the right to live with dignity, to speak freely, and to decide their own future. But 79 years later, a new generation has grown up in a completely different world. A world where freedom means something new. Ask someone from Generation Z what freedom means, and you may hear answers like, being allowed to use my phone whenever I want, having unlimited internet, posting my thoughts online without fear, connecting with anyone, anywhere in the world. For today's youth, digital space has become a second home. It is where they learn, express themselves, build friendships, and discover opportunities. In many ways, their phone has become a symbol of independence. The people of 1947 fought for political freedom. They wanted the right to shape their nation's future. Today's generation is not fighting the same battle. Their challenge is different. Instead of colonial rule, they face an overwhelming digital world filled with endless information, constant notifications, and social media pressure. Freedom today is no longer only about borders. It is also about access, connection, expression, and choice. Technology has opened doors that previous generations could only imagine. But every freedom also comes with responsibility. Unlimited phone use feels like freedom. Unlimited internet feels like power. But an important question remains. If we cannot put our phones down, are we truly free? Digital freedom is not simply about having access. It is about having control, the freedom to decide when technology serves us instead of us serving technology. Real digital independence means protecting our privacy, thinking critically, respecting others online, and balancing life beyond the screen. The story of freedom did not end in 1947. It continues with every new generation. The heroes of the past gave us the freedom to build a nation. Now it is our responsibility to build a digital future that is intelligent, responsible, and inclusive. Generation Z has the greatest access to knowledge in history. The question is not whether we have digital freedom. The question is, what will we do with it? Because true freedom has never been about doing everything we can. It has always been about choosing wisely. That is digital Azadi.